it's a nice atmosphere and new fresh air. We going out, hanging out like we don't care. We are new honey party people, ladies, they better get dressed. Like good vibes in our minds, ain't nobody feels straight. I'm like a good bad boy, I know you like how it feels. A little spice could be sweet when you know what you need. You are in my space, I hear the sound of your ears. I can't resist your tight dress and your fleeting red lips. Just come on, say why, could you promise me you're real? Maybe I'm just a little dry, maybe you're just a dream. What's your name, little angel? Are you devil in disguise? Never mind, doesn't matter when I'm falling for your eyes. In the flashing lights, don't recognize any face. If you want to know, I could find you some space. I leave the worry behind, don't need to think at all. Maybe you should feel your pride with some alcohol. Are you ready for the summer like that brand new healing? See a smile on your face, like if you know what I'm feeling. Thinking, oh, for now, this time gonna be crazy. All the patterns on my mind go neon and hazy. Light it up to the sky, let the universe know. Everybody getting high, just to go with the flow. No depression, no, better jump on the ride. If you wanna be my lord, I'm ready to fight, I'm ready to fight.
Looking for that white night to shower you in bright lights, provide you happy end, but that's not me. Moonlight under dark skies, still find comfort at night. I could fall for you and leave before the sunrise. I don't wanna hurt you, but I can't push you away. What's a wolf to do when the lamb comes out to play? Why do you stay here? There's nothing but pain here. Just leave, it's not meant to be. You can't change me, I tried, believe me, and I know it's best if you just run. Run before you fall in deep. I am not the man you seek. You should have known it's not too late to run. Get back to reality. Wake up from your fantasies. If I was you, I'd run. I'm heading on a mad road, someplace you can go. It's a one-way trip and I'm not looking back. Diving into rabbit holes, straying further from home. Watch it take its toll, I warned you not to follow. It's not that I don't care, we got no problems there, but you got so much love and I'm just not deserving. Why do you stay here? There's nothing but pain here, just leave.